and bottles that are too big, all kinds of stuff gets left over.
Put it all for sale. We'll probably sell outside. Well, here in Houston today, looks like it's going to be another beautiful afternoon, early afternoon. Can't say the same about the late afternoon or early evening, Sherman, but skies are blue. Not foretelling of what could happen in Houston within the next few hours, because we are looking at our radar very carefully, but so far things are extremely quiet. As you saw, very few, if any, rain clouds around Houston. As we zoom out, as we showed you earlier, there's just no activity what to speak of here across the Gulf Coast, and even inland through much of the northern and western parts of the state, barely a scattered shower showing up. So with all the blue skies, it's going to be a while before we see any immediate changes, but one thing's for sure, the atmosphere is still ripe for any possible thunder showers. Look at our dew point, very uncomfortable dew points, about 70, winds are calm, humidity is still very high, the pressure is high. A weak cool front kind of worked its way down towards the Gulf Coast. It's parked just offshore, but because that front stalled, it raises the potential for a few afternoon thunder showers during this May weather pattern, which is still driven a lot by El Nino. So it looks like a stormy pattern next week as well. We'll see a lot of tropical moisture in play, and even for the weekend, we can't rule out isolated thunderstorms, not unlike what we'll see this afternoon around Houston. We saw a few of those yesterday evening. Across the area right now, temperatures are mostly in the mid-80s, but it's very deceptive because with those 70-degree dew points, it feels more like 90 degrees on the south side and even in Pearland, and also at Hobby Airport, feels like 93 in Angleton, in the mid-90s in Wharton. Again, there's that front, these northeasterly winds significant, and the front is kind of lying right here, just near Galveston and Pearland. We think that front will actually make its way back north as a warm front, triggering a couple of thunder showers maybe during the heat of the afternoon, and by that we mean 86, maybe 88 degrees or 87 degrees, and that's when we'll see our best chances for those isolated or stray showers. There's about a 30 to 40% chance of rain. I think after 7 o'clock, all is well. As you can see, the rain chances diminished greatly. We're down into the mid-70s, but here's our future track and how that plays out. Again, if we do see any activity, it's going to be closer to the frontal boundary, which is near shore, near Angleton, and mostly south of I-10. This is about 5 o'clock, and again, these are very scattered thunder showers. Notice there's no activity really to speak of here in Metro Houston, but a few isolated showers are possible inland through the course of the early evening. Most of those will dissipate by 10 o'clock. So here's how things play out in our forecast. Again, the odds for rain showers are mainly today at 40%. For the weekend, not so much, only about a 30% chance of rain. That follows Monday with a much better chance for rainfall as yet another upper level disturbance, Sherman, swings in. So we think on your back to work Monday, there's a good chance of showers, and that rainy pattern is here to stay. Not a good weekend to wash your car. I did anyway.